Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix your mobile data not working on Motorola Razr 70 Ultra 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and toggle the mobile data off and on. So of course, we need to go over here. Now let me quickly disable the Wi-Fi, and here we have the mobile data. Now we want to tap it off and tap it on again in the control center. And what are we going to do next is we're going to check the APN settings. So we need to go over and open up the network and internet. Of course, we're going to play on Simpson mobile network. And here we have our Play SIM card for me. And of course, we need to scroll a bit down. Here we have preferred network type, but we need to scroll a bit more until we see access point names, which are the APNs. Now we have our Play Internet right here. So what are we going to do is we're going to press on it. Now click on three dots and click delete APN. As you guys can see, the network should be disappearing soon, or it'll be like transparent a little. So we're gonna click on those three dots right up top again, click reset to default, and everything's back. So we just resetted our APNs. What are we gonna do next is we're gonna go over, and you want to make sure that you restart your phone first. So tap on the power button, the volume up button, tap on restart, and now it is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once everything's done. After the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to simply go over and swipe down onto the control center until we see the airplane mode, which is right here. Now, of course, we want to turn it on, and then we're going to turn it off. And this is because we want to restart our, let's say, our signal, so that we get better signal, because we just turned the signal totally off. And now it is surging to the closest, like a tower, to get the signal from. So this is a quick restart using the airplane mode. Now the next step is to reset the network settings. So we're going to press on settings and scroll down until we see system, tap on reset options, and tap reset mobile network settings. Click it, confirm that it's you trying to reset it, and now you see confirmation at the bottom. If that did not help, then make sure to contact your carrier to verify the data plan. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.